What is anti-loosening versus lock? Why is so special? When fasteners are joined together with a specially threaded fastener, which has the anti-loosening screw thread on one of the bolt and nut, the loosening of bolts and nuts during vibration and impact is prevented. The screw thread of anti-loosening consists of two tangential parts to induce double contact point locking with the other object with a common screw thread. It maximizes the friction force between the bolt and nut screw threads' double contact points and performs anti-loosening function. We have rigorously tested our product to ensure top quality, proudly showcasing our commitment to excellence in extreme vibration and junker tests. Anti-loosening nut can be applying on construction industry and shipbuilding industry, and also on railroad and automotive industries generally. Let us know if you have any questions. info@jkinnovation.com, telephone +82 55 321 4055.